Go, Pat, go. Go, go.
She's like, I'm gonna take it wrong.
I like how you have Wally now. Mandy Gibbons!
Wasn't she so thrilled to have Wally when we first got here?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, for the first 5 minutes.
What about Wally?
You were so happy.
I don't want Wally anymore. Don't watch me walk.
Okay.
Because I'm gonna eat shit.
Just come on.
Okay, we'll turn around.
Alright.
Turn around.
Oh, baby, so you know that.
You're not gonna eat shit.
You eat shit, someone could rush down there and grab you before you eat.
Come on, Gibbons.
Turn around.
Come on, come on. Hey, Cartman, waiting for the wheat to hit a wheat.
Oh, wow.
Damn. If there were like a beehive in here, this would be the worst spot to have it. Oh shit! I pissed them off! I pissed them off! Go! Run! They're pissed! All of you! Where's the water? Oh god, that's the worst thing to do. Then they're waiting above the water.
Yeah.
At least we'll have to do something though. You can't really drop and roll. It's still gonna sting the shit out of you.
Come on. The new poison oak. It's beautiful.
You're not beautiful. Oh shit.
Mandy Gibbons.
She's taking her sweet time.
She's lagging, man. Fuck.
You just look like that little girl that's like, I'm getting left behind. Look.